Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to hide our hotspot network in Android so the other devices can't find our network. Let's get started. Go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you have to scroll your screen until you find connection, and it's right here. Then you gotta click on mobile hotspot and that ring, it's right here. Just click on it, then choose mobile hotspot, tap on it. Then you gotta click on configure, then click advanced right here, and we can scroll our screen until we find hidden network, and we can turn on the hidden network by clicking on this button. Alright, and don't forget to click on save. And alright guys, that's how we can hide our hotspot network in Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.